to each one of you on this momentous occasion, the grand opening of Tekla Academy Center.
Acknowledged with Tekla Authorized Center.
Pride movement for us, like from a service-based company, now we are having giving back to the society to educate the people.
Tekla Academy is a very good platform to for the students to learn.
So Striley believes only always in new knowledge, skills and innovations.
So we have been working on CAD and Pro and certain integration aspect in our service offering. So that is where this academic centers have lead.
For students to help build their career. For us also, a platform to bridge the gaps of industry demand versus aspiration of students, career opportunities.